You are welcome to today's tutorial. This is VsmDesigns. Let's quickly go ahead and learn how to make this beautiful pocket. First of all, you are going to cut your gum according to your preferred dimensions, after which here I folded it in two, and once again I folded it in another two. I wrote this out and I do the same on the other side. After which I cut it out. I folded it this way so that we have a uniform four corners. You go ahead and gum it to your fabric. And as you know, you are going to open the center and you give your notches at the four corners. So we are folding the inner edges, the inner excesses of fabric, just as you can see. As I bend it, I lace it with hemming gum so that it will hold still. After that, I'm going to make a fold just as you can see, and I am cutting it out. I am going to lace it with hairstay. So I divided it into two and fold each side of it. So I did so on both of them, after which I am heating up the area I folded and I'm placing a sliced hemming gum on it in such a way it's going to hold still when I gum it, and I will be able to run thread from under. So I did same on the second one. What you're looking at is a combination fabric. So I have to paste one of the straps on it and I gummed it. Then I am going to open it this way and run thread from under. I've just done that, so I'm trimming part of the excess fabrics inside. First of all, I'm going to smoothen it. Then I'll go ahead and place the second one, allowing an even space in between. I will also open it this way and go and run thread on it. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so so that when next I upload any video, you will be the first to be notified. So I'm bending one side of it like this, leaving a small about ½ inch allowance. I lace it with hemming gums. So now I am going to divide them into 4 places. This is how we are going to form the design. You bend it this way and go ahead and bend it this way, forming a triangle. So we are going to use the 4 of them and form a triangle. Now, after doing so, we take it to the machine and sew. So we are going to sew it on top of this fabric. As I place it this way, I run thread on it from the bending, and I place another one directly opposite of it and also run thread on it. We are going to do the same, place the other one on the remaining other space, then the final one on the last remaining space. You make sure that the 2 ends meet while you are sewing on them. And look at what we have just formed, a beautiful look, a beautiful design. Then we go ahead and place our gum on it. Place it carefully, make sure that you have an even or equal spacing on all corners. You go ahead and run thread on it round. After that, you do the necessary trimmings and foldings, and our pocket is ready. So you go ahead and fix it on your outfit. I have a pocket tag, so I've just fixed it there before going ahead to run the thread. This is where we draw the curtains today. Thank you for watching this video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload any video, you will be the first to be notified.